Hello guys, this is Devesh from 3D Works. This is part 3 on Space Invaders using Pygame. So let us see what we have till now. I'm going to run the program. And if you look, we have a spaceship which moves according to my movement of the thumb. So today we will learn how to make bullets which comes out of the player. So let us do that. I am using object-oriented program for bullets and enemies. So I am going to make a class for bullet and I am going to name it as bullet class and a self statement, no need of self, a colon, and after that we will define it using the define statement, 2 underscores define init, and after that self, again a colon. Then we will give the attributes for the bullet. The bullet is going to be a rectangle which comes out of the body of the spaceship. In a rectangle of Pygame there will be x and y coordinate, width and height. So I am going to define that self.x equal to x, self.y equal to y, and the width and height, I am going to name it as w. Self.width is equal to w and self.height is equal to h. After that I am going to draw the bullet on the screen. For that I will use another function, define draw. I will name it as define draw and the self statement inside it, and again a colon, and we will draw a rectangle. Pygame.draw.rect, and inside the rect statement we will give the window or the surface. Then the color I want it to be red, and after that the x and y coordinates, self.x, self.y, self.w and self.h. Now I am going to give an instance of the class. I am going to name it as bullet object equal to bullet class. And one important thing is there, we didn't give a way to give input for the x and xy coordinates and the width and height. So I am going to name it as x, y, w, h, and here I will give the x coordinate as the I am going to give 0. First it is going to be 0, then I want the width to be 10, height to be 20. So now let me run this program. We will see only that spaceship moving around the screen. We will not get the bullet, and that is because we didn't created draw the rectangle on the screen. So we will do that. We get the name of the class as bullet object. So bullet object dot draw. So it will come now. It will come on the screen. Let us see. And here we have a red rectangle on the top left of the screen. We cannot say that this is a bullet because it does not move anywhere. So I am going to make another statement, that means self.y plus equals, that means we are incrementing the value every time the while loop runs. That is because the draw function is given inside the while loop, and self.y plus is equal to, I am going to give 10. Now I am going to change the position of it to about 0, 100. Now let us run the program again, and this will go down. Oh, we should give -10 for that. That's why it didn't came on the screen. Not came, it went down. Now we want to make the bullet go upwards. Let us change that. Instead of 10, I am going to give -10, and I am going to change the value to 5. 10 is very fast. And the bullet went off the screen. Now we will make the bullet originate from the x and y coordinate of the player. Let us do that. So let us make that originate from the player's body. So I am going to give a if statement. If bullet object dot y is less than or equal to 0, then bullet object dot y equal to x1 and bullet object dot x equal to x1, and this is not x1, it is y1. Now let me run this program. Now if we look at the output, if it gets less than 0, it again comes to the x1 and y1 coordinates of the player. The x coordinate is little bit far from the player's center, so I am going to change that. Bullet object dot x is equal to x1 plus, I am giving 20. Now let us see. Again you want to play around with the numbers to get the correct value for it. A little bit more. I think 45 will be the best. Yes, that is the best for the bullet. I think I should increase the play speed some more. Instead of -35, I am going to change the increment operator to decrement operator. And let us see. This is a little bit fast, so I am going to change that to 25. This is okay. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to share this channel. So bye bye.